What's up, boys and girls? We are back with another. See, I don't like it on my hat. Like, some people be putting that shit on their hats. Like, maybe if it's off to the side of my head, it look to the front. It look crazy. Even to the side, it look crazy. I'd rather just have that shit on my shirt. So, boom. We're gonna go right there. And I don't even like it clipped. I like the magnet. Boom. It's right there. It's on my shirt. It don't look too crazy. Not to me anyway. But, yes, sir. So, what we finna get ready to do, man, you finna go on a motherfucking adventure, right? Hey, as you know, gas prices is hot in the motherfucker. And so we have been on a hunt for something that is more fuel efficient. So, in our journey, we have found something. And I think it's gonna work out for our benefit. So, we're finna go check it out. I'm pretty much like, for shit show I'ma get it, but you know, you gotta go through your paces and shit. So, I'm going to take my scanner. We got our starting fluid, we got our battery jumper, thingamajigger-bobber, and we also have, I'm gonna take the actual jump starter. Where that motherfucker at? Yeah, take the big jump starter. Yeah, big jump starter things. So yeah. So these are the things that I'm going to take to go check out this car. Jump box, scanner, and some brake parts cleaner so we can give us some fuel. Air, fuel. So the things you need to make a car run is air, fuel, spark. So we got air, it's everywhere. Fuel, just a little bit, and then spark. Like I said, they say it's running, but we'll see. But like I said, it's a very, I'm pretty sure whatever it is, we can make it work. So I'll catch y'all back on when we get there. All right, what's up, y'all? We done made it out here. The deal has been done. Like I said, I wasn't going too much play with it, like I said, because the price is right. I felt, you know what I'm saying, the worst case scenario, and I had to throw double what I had to pay into it for motor or something. Still a goddamn deal, and it don't come close to the blue book. So let me show you what we got. So we got a 2003 Honda Accord, two-door coupe, like kind of sexy. So he did say, or the lady did say that her son took the intake off, you know what I'm saying, but he is meticulous. Let me show you this, and it was already something that I did like. Like, I mean, it ain't a lot of people that do that. You know what I'm saying? Especially when you buying a car for somebody else. Like my nigga, you actually took the time to bag it up. Like, shit is organized. Like, come on now. Like, car guy's dream. Right? It is the V6 model, which the mileage difference wasn't that big between the two. I ain't tripping. From looking at it, it does have the 6-speed, or no, the four. Well, looking at the there's an intake there on the flow. Slide that over to the side. Got your coils. Like I said, the almighty intake. I love it too, though. But stick that back there. So, worst case scenario, like I said, if you do have to get a motor, it's not the end of the world. You know what I'm saying? Full size, not the Civic joint. Not that I would be tripping if it was. Like I said, at this point, we're just trying to get something to save gas save. And this one we not getting rid of. We not gonna do it. I know I say that shit every time, but we not. So I know you do got the battery disconnected. This is what I was saying here. Like, if you look at the shifter, you got your 1, 2, 3, and then drive. So more than likely, the 4-speed transmission, not the 5, which the 5 will give you a little bit better gas mileage, but we ain't messed up about it. Got the moon roof, sunroof in here. No, we like a roof. We like a roof. I think that's probably like the garage door opener. That's for the lights. For your sunglasses. Yeah, I think that is just a moon roof. Oh, that shit might slide back. Let's find out. Let's find out. So, of course, it's not going to start over and run or nothing for us, but it looks like it's a fairly new battery in here. So that should be able to give us enough to where we can get a ding or the light cut on or something. Let's see. Up the infamous Honda beep. Okay. So yeah, we got all of that. So I'm gonna grab the code reader. To see if there are any codes. Even though the battery was disconnected, it should pull anything historically as far as codes as well. So no big. Let me grab it out. Alright, so we're gonna grab a little scanner here. And like I said, worst case scenario, like if we do gotta drop a motor in there, my partner was saying like $400 is a place that got takeouts. Then I ain't even gotta go pull that shit myself. So let's see. Alright, find a little OBD2 port down here. Turn our scanner gem on. Like I said, at this point we are not. We're gonna do our first scan on our Autel so that we can see what we got. So we're gonna do repair order number 03 Accord. Our first customer. Alright, so we're gonna do an auto scan. So battery got 12.08. It's doing this little scanning thing. There's 6 codes found. Oh shit, go back. Alright, I'm gonna record this here. Alright, so we're gonna go to what we found. So So I got, like I said, O3 Accord. All right. So right now the codes that it's throwing is, or the codes that are stored, the throttle pedal position sensor, oxygen sensor, intake air temperature sensor, manifold absolute pressure sensor, oxygen sensor. Those are the only 6 codes on there. Now, based off of what they told me, they said the car would run, but it wouldn't stay running. Listen, the car would run, but won't stay running. And it has a code for a throttle pedal position sensor. Also your TPS. So, if your TPS ain't TPSing, guess what? It ain't gonna stay running. So, I think we winning already, baby. And like I said, we really don't know until we get everything back together. Like, I really don't think that it's that bad. However, like I said, worst case scenario, put back a couple dollars. You know what I'm saying? Put a new drive, a good drivetrain in there or whatever that we know for sure, and then go from there. But given the symptoms and people not really knowing that much about cars, I think that we definitely can run into something that's good here. Go to escape. So I ain't never really had no car in this new, like I say, evap and inducement. We ain't trying to do one of those. Onboard monitor. I mean, the engine ain't running or nothing, so I don't think it's really nothing you can really do there. Or if it's turn key on with the engine off. I thought I did that already. So it's like 210 on the dash. Y'all know me. If you know me, you know me. Like, it ain't nothing for me to go buy a car and then put a whole nother engine in that bed. Like, I'm not tripping off of that. I promise you I'm not.